Many people ask me this question as in how I am able to learn smart, how I am able to connect the dots and make complicated things simple for you. See, there is no rocket science behind it. The recipe is very simple. Whenever I study about a disease or whenever I study about a particular medicine, I always visualize that my parents are also taking the same medicine and my parents or my near ones are also suffering from the same disease that I am studying about. In that condition, when you visualize in that way, you your mindset will change a lot. Your mindset will change drastically. For that, you don't need to overburden yourself and reinforce your focus will automatically arrive, because if my parents are suffering from a particular disease, my dedication and my commitment towards relieving them from that condition will be more. So the same mantra, if I apply in studying pharmacology or any disease, things will be easy for me. No matter how complicated it may seem, it will definitely be easy for me.